Welcome students to online classes of mathematics for class 8. In this video we are going to study the chapter number 3, which is the understanding quadrilaterals, and we'll try to cover the exercise 3.2, and this is session number 3 for this particular chapter. Myself Deepak Gautam, TGT Mathematics in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. So let's start with today's class. The chapter number 3, understanding quadrilateral, is divided into total 5 subtopics, out of which we have covered the first 2, introduction and the polygons, in the previous sessions. Okay, today in this video we are going to study the subtopic number 3, which is the sum of the measure of the exterior angle of a polygons. Okay, so let's start. So we have this: the sum of the measures of the external angles of any polygon. Any polygon means irrespective of the number of sides that polygon have. Okay, whether it's a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, any other polygon with any number of sides, the sum of the measure of its external angle is always 360 degree. So the sum of the measure of all the angle of all the external angle or the exterior angle of a polygon is fixed, which is 360 degree. Okay, irrespective of the number of sides that polygon have. Okay, always the sum of all the external angle or the exterior angle of that polygon will be equals to 360 degree. Okay, whether it's a regular polygon or irregular polygon. Okay, so in case of a regular polygon, suppose now if we have a regular polygon means all the angles are equal, also the length of each side is equal. So such polygon are called regular polygon. So as we know, the total measure of all exterior angle is 360 degree. So from here we can find the measure of the exterior angle by dividing 360 by the number of side. Suppose if we are given the number of side of a polygon, let's say if we have a triangle, the triangle have, suppose if we have a triangle have 3 sides. Okay, so the number of side is 3. So by putting that number of side 3, we can find the measure of exterior angle, that is 360 by 3 will be 120 degree. So in case of triangle, the exterior angle is 120 degree. Okay, similarly if we have a quadrilateral, that means number of side here are now 4. So that means now we'll divide it by 360 divided by 4. So 360 divided by 4 is equals to, we get exterior angle as 90 degree. Okay, so if you are given the number of side, we can easily calculate the measure of the exterior angle by the formula, the 360 divided by the number of sides. Okay, similarly if we are given the measure of the external or the exterior angle, if we are given the measure of exterior angle, then we can calculate the number of side by again dividing 360 by the measure of exterior angle. Suppose if we are given the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle of any figure as, if the exterior angle is of 45 degree, so when you divide 360 by 45, you will get how much? 8. Okay, that means that figure has total 8 number of sides. That means it is a octagon. Okay, so we have 3 things here. First is the sum of the measure of the external angle of any polygon is 360 degree. Secondly, we can calculate the measure of exterior angle by dividing 360 degree by the number of side of that polygon. And thirdly, the number of side can be calculated by dividing 360 by the measure of exterior angle. Okay, let me erase so you can see it clearly. Okay, so these are our 2 formulas. Okay, this one is for measure of exterior angle and this one is for number of side. In both cases, we have to divide it by 360 degree to find the number of side or the measure of the exterior angle. Okay, based on this we have exercise 3.2. Okay, let's jump to the exercise. Okay, before the exercise we have 2 examples. So first we'll do the examples from your NCERT textbook. So first example here is, find the measure x in the figure 3.9. So we are given this figure In here we are given an angle x, we have to find the measure of this angle x. Okay, so we'll write its solution or answer. It is, now as we know that the sum of the measure of exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. So we'll write, as we know the sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay, therefore, so once if we add these all four angles, 90 plus 50 plus 110 and x, their sum should be equals to 360 degree. That means 90 degree plus 50 degree plus 110 degree plus x has to be equals to 360 degree. Okay, and this will implies that this 90 plus 50 plus 110, this 110 and 90 will be 200 and 250 will be 250 plus x equals to 360 degree, or x from here will be 360 degree minus 250 degree. Hence the value of x will be 110 degree. Okay, so that's the answer for this example. The value of x from here is 110 degree. Okay, we have simply used the property that the sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is always equals to 360 degree. Okay, by using that we can easily calculate the measure of any exterior angle. Okay, similarly now we have find the number of sides. Here we are asked to find the number of side for a regular polygon. That this time the polygon is a regular polygon whose exterior angle is given, which is equals to 45 degree. Okay, so let's write the solution. Okay, what we are given here is we are given the measure of exterior angle, which is 45 degree, and as we know the measure of, or as we know the sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Therefore, we know this formula. What we are asked to calculate here? We are asked to calculate number of side. Therefore, number of side will be equals to 360 divided by the measure of exterior angle, that is 360 degree divided by the exterior angle is given as 45 degree. So 360 degree divided by 45 degree. When you divide them, you will get answer as 8. Hence the number of sides are 8 sides. Okay, so these are the two examples from this before this exercise. So now let's start the exercise 3.2. This exercise 3.2 in total have 6 questions. Okay, so let's start with the first question. First question is similar to the example number 1. Again here we are given two figures and we are asked to calculate the value of x here. Okay, let's start with answer number 1, part A. Okay, let's draw the figure first. We have this figure. Okay, we'll refer from this figure only, but in your notebook you have to draw this figure. Okay, so we are asked to calculate this x here while we are given the measure of the other two exterior angle of this triangle. Okay, so we'll write, as we know, the sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Therefore, the sum of the measure of all three angles will be equals to 360 degree, that is 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x will be equals to 360 degree, or this 125 plus 125 will be 250 degree plus x equals to 360 degree, or x from here will be 360 degree minus 250 degree, and x is equals to 110 degree. That's the answer for the part A of question number 1. X is equals to 110 degree. Similarly, write answer number 1 part B. Now again in this figure have total 5 sides, 1 2 3 4 and 5. That means it's a pentagon, but it's not a regular pentagon. Okay, in this we are given the measure of its 4 angle. This one is 60 degree, this one is 90 degree, here is 70, then x, and as this is perpendicular here, so this angle is also 90 degree. Okay, so we'll add all the angles and it should be equals to 360 degree. Okay, so write, as we know, the sum of the measure of all the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. Therefore, we'll add the angle 60 plus 90 plus 70 plus 90. We have 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree plus x plus 90 degree, and it should be equals to 360 degree. Okay, now we have to add all these numbers. 60 plus 90 is 150, 150 plus 90 is 240, and 240 plus 70 is 210. So this is 310, not 200. So this will be 310 plus x equals to 360 degree, or x from here will be 360 degree minus 310 degree, or x will be equals to 50 degree. So that's our answer for this part. Okay, so that's the solution of question number 1. In part A, the x is equals to 110, and part B, x is equals to 50 degree. Okay, now come to the question number 2. We have find the measure of each exterior angle of the regular polygon. So it's now given as regular polygon. First one is with side 9 sides. Okay, so write as answer number 2 part 1. You have to find the measure of exterior angle. We know that the sum of the measures of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay, and we are also given that this polygon is a regular polygon. Okay. Therefore, for a regular polygon, the measure of exterior angle will be given by 360 degree divided by number of sides, that is 360 degree divided by number of side here is given as 9. So 360 divided by 9 is equals to 40 degree. Hence the measure of exterior angle is 40 degree. Okay. Now second part, now the number of side is 15. So write answer number 2, part second. Again we have to write, as we know, the sum of the measure of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Therefore, for a regular polygon, as it's given in the question that polygon is a regular polygon, so therefore for a regular polygon we know that the measure of exterior angle is given by 360 degree divided by number of side. Okay, that is 360 degree divided by number of side. Number of side given here is 15 sides, so we'll divide 360 divided by 15. Okay, and when you divide 360 by 15 you will get 24. Hence the number of side here are 24. Okay, so that's the solution of question number 2 of exercise 3.2. Now come to the next question. Question number 3 is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of exterior angle is 24 degree? It is this part second of the question number 2. Okay, now we have to solve this again. Let's write its answer number 3. It's again given that polygon is a regular polygon and its exterior angle is measures 24 degree. Okay, so we'll write, as we know, the sum of the measures of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay, therefore as it is given the polygon is a regular polygon, so that therefore for a regular polygon number of sides is given by 360 degree divided by measure of exterior angle. Okay, that is 360 degree and the exterior angle is given, which is 24 degree. So when you divide 360 by 24 you will get the answer as 15. So number of sides are hence the number of sides are 15 sides. Okay, so that's the solution of question number 3. Now moving to the next one, we have question number 4. It says, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? Okay, what we are asked to find is how many sides. So हमें find करना है number of side. It is given that the polygon is a regular polygon, and we are also given the measure of interior angle. Okay, but we have the formula to calculate the number of side but when the exterior angle is given. So since we are given the interior angle, from using this we can find the measure of exterior angle. Okay, so right, answer number 4. Okay, this time we'll write, as we know, the sum of the measures of interior angle and exterior angle of a polygon, of any polygon, is 180 degree. Okay, that is, or you can write therefore so we are given the measure of interior angle, which is 165. So the interior angle, which is 165 degree, plus let's assume the exterior angle is x. Okay, so we have to write that 165 plus x will be equals to 180 degrees. From here x will be equals to 180 degree minus 165 degree, or that answer will be 180 minus 165 is 15 degree. Okay, so here you have to write a line. I'm writing it here, but you will write that line here before this line. Okay, here, that is, let the measure of exterior angle is equals to x degree. You have to write this line here before the first line. Okay, that means that this will be the first line of the answer. Then you will calculate the value of x here. Okay, so since we have got the value of x, now we can find what we are asked to find here, number of side. So we'll write, hence the number of sides will be equals to 360 degree divided by 15, and when you divide 360 by 15, you will get answer as 24. Okay, so that's our answer. The number of sides this regular polygon have is 24. Okay, so now moving to the next question, we have question number 5. It says, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Okay, so you are asked, is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Okay, so in order to have a polygon, its exterior angle either should be a multiple of 3, 5 or 15. Okay, only then you will get a regular polygon. Okay, this can be a polygon, but it will not be a regular polygon. Okay, in order to be a regular polygon, it should be either a multiple of 3, 5 or 15. So write answer number 5, part A. Answer will be no. So first it is, you were asked, is it possible to have regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22? So right answer is no. Why? Let's write no, comma, it is not possible to have a regular polygon with measure of interior angle as measure of exterior angle as 22 degree. Okay, reason is it should be a multiple of 3, 5 or 15, only then we can form a regular polygon. Okay, next part B is, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? So now you're asked, can this 22 be an interior angle? First you are given that 22 is the exterior angle. Now you're asked, can it be an interior angle, okay, for a regular polygon, and you have to give the reason why. Again you will write answer number 5, part B. So again, as I said, it should be a multiple of 3, 5 or 15, only then we can be form a regular polygon. So again the answer will be no, and the reason is it is not possible to have a regular polygon with measure of interior angle as 22 degree. So right, it is not possible to have a regular polygon with measure of interior angle as 22 degree. Okay, so in both cases the answer is no. Okay, now moving to the next question, we have question number 6, which is the last question of this exercise. Question is, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? Okay, you are asked, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? So I'll write answer number 6, part A. So in order to answer this, first you should know that to make a polygon, what is the number of minimum sides we require. Okay, like we studied in the first session of this chapter, we can have a polygon with minimum number of 3 sides, that is a triangle. So write a regular polygon with minimum number of possible sides is 3, that is a triangle. Now we can find its exterior, or you are asked what is the minimum interior angle. Now we can find its exterior angle, that will be subtracted from 180 to get the interior angle. Okay, so that is a triangle. So its minimum interior angle will be, what will be its interior angle? If we have a triangle which is a regular polygon, its interior angle will be 60 degree. Okay, so right, which is of 60 degree, or you can write it as Okay, so you're asked what is the minimum interior angle. So we know that the interior angle of a regular triangle, which is a equilateral triangle, its interior angle is 60 degree. Okay, which is of 60 degree. Next part, you are asked what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. So what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? It's again the same answer, number 6, part B. A regular polygon with minimum number of side is possible side is 3, which is that is a triangle. So write a regular polygon with minimum number of side is 3, that is a triangle. Okay, and we know the interior angle of a triangle or regular triangle, that is a equilateral triangle, is 60 degree. And as we know, the interior angle of regular triangle, this regular triangle is also known as equilateral triangle, is 60 degree. So therefore we know that interior angle plus exterior angle is equals to 180 degree for any polygon. So we have got the interior angle, which is 60 degree, plus exterior angle equals to 180 degree, or exterior angle will be equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree, and 180 minus 60 is 120 degree. So the maximum exterior angle for any regular polygon will be 120 degree. Okay, so you are asked what is the minimum interior angle. Answer is minimum interior angle for a regular polygon is 60 degree. Then you are asked what is the maximum exterior angle. That angle is 120 degrees. Okay, so that's the solution of the question number 6 of this exercise. With this we have finished all the question of exercise 3.1 and the exercise 3. Sorry, not 3.1, it's exercise 3.2. okay, so now what you have to do is you have to practice all this question multiple times so that you will be fluent in solving this question. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thanks for joining here. Thank you.